Hi everyone, finally filming now after the previous bit of stress I've just had. Not sure if you probably know, I think a few places in Spain they're doing something where you can download these different coupons to get money off doing shopping at certain places. For example, a butcher's. We've just got 2 bags full of meat, and I mean full of meat.
There's another bag in the back.
That's just one of them there, another bag in the back, guys.
What did we get? We got joints.
Yeah, we got joints of lamb, big joints of pork, big steak, big pack of mince. Said 2 kilograms of mince. I don't even think he's given us that. I think he's probably ended up giving us 2.5. But we just got tons of meat, guys, and you wouldn't believe how much we paid for it. About €54. And that's because we had 5 of these vouchers on Sue's phone. All she done was scanned them, took Sue's NIE number down. Originally we'd have paid like €104 for everything we've had, but we've ended up paying like €54 something.
And if you just see my video last night with the meal,
Yeah.
it was like about 61.
Yeah.
And we paid 31.
If you'd have seen Sue's video last night with the meal, it was about 60 something. We paid €31 just using these vouchers. Different shops can use them as well as restaurants and bars. Nissan gift shop, they're like a big electrical shop. So I was asking Mum, well, if I got them, could I go get like £100 worth of PSN points, like PlayStation points, and only pay 50?
Yeah.
So that ain't too bad. Only thing is, the butcher's was busy, huge queue inside and out, and people were getting a number and sitting outside. But because I was sat outside, they missed their number. They're not. But like 10 minutes after their number's called, they come back into the butcher's, ask if their number's been called. When they're told yes, they expect us to like push in front of the queue, like push in front of everyone waiting, and get their meat.
They missed their number. It's
Yeah,
bad.
they missed their number. It's too bad. I mean, we got number D10. We were in there for about 2 hours. You could literally cut the tension with a knife in there. It was that scary. Lot of old biddies in there, and I'm not sure if you'd notice the most important thing about old biddies here in Spain. When you piss them off, they tend to get quite angry. And that's kind of what happened in the butcher's. The one in particular was getting quite mad because quite a lot of people were coming in from outside complaining because they missed their number, but they had a number, so they were like, well, can't we just go get our meat, lot? We've been waiting all morning.
It's like here yesterday.
Yeah, this
So,
shop
like,
here
queues,
yesterday,
like, what?
the queues apparently were all the way up here.
Because people can get everything here.
Yeah, you can
Like,
get
well, obviously
everything
not food,
apparently.
but all your groceries and stuff.
So yeah, the vouchers are good. I mean, they help a lot of people, but they're driving a few of the shops mad. I feel sorry for the butchers, to be fair, because they were under quite a lot of pressure. They were getting quite a lot of stick off people as well. Like when,
Probably won't get their
yeah,
proper break.
they won't get a proper break. It'll probably be clean up, quick coffee or something. Will you shut up? I'm filming. I feel sorry for them because lots of people were kicking off at them saying, like, well, can't we just get the meat? You people were actually turned away as well. Yeah. I think it was just after we finally got in there, they actually took the number tickets out. So if you hadn't got a number then, they wouldn't serve you. Yeah, we were lucky because quite a few people just gave up. They saw the queue and thought we won't get served. Me and Mum were probably the only English in there. We just sort of went in, sat inside with our number, and we could just see the numbers getting called out, but going slowly, time's ticking on. Like,
And he said they were shutting at 2.
yeah, they were shutting at 2, and we were like, we ain't gonna do it. He comes out, starts to clean up, pulling the curtains down, all that. Then finally our number got called. Thank God. They could have easily refused us, guys. They could have easily said, well, we haven't got time to, like, do your stuff, like, we're shut now. But no, they chose to stay open up a couple minutes longer just to make sure everyone had been served. So, yeah, huge shout out goes up to the butchers up there. Vincent Gomez Butchers, I think they're called. If you are living over in Benidorm, like, try them out. And try these vouchers out as well. They are very helpful.
Got till tomorrow, guys.
You got till tomorrow if you do have some now, but I think they're a regular thing, ain't they?
Christmas will probably be next.
Yeah, Christmas might be next time they do them. Anyway, guys, hit the like, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.